Hey friends, if selective suspend causes USB devices on USB hub to stop functioning, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to restart the PC. Right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out and then select restart. The next solution is to disable and enable the USB root hub. So search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open the device manager window. Scroll down and expand Universal Serial Bus Controllers. Right click on USB root hub, disable the device, and then you will enable it. Okay, say no, and then you will have to restart and enable device. Okay, and make sure that it is enabled. The next solution is to disable power management for USB root hub. So we'll go to the same page. We will scroll down, expand this list, Universal USB root hub, right click, properties, power management, and uncheck the box associated with allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Okay. And the last one is to disable the USB selective suspend feature. Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command power cfg.cpl and hit enter. This will open the balance plan settings. Now go to change plan settings or any plan settings, even if it is high power. Change advanced power settings, USB settings, USB selective suspend. Make sure that it is disabled for both on battery and plugged in modes. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.